Guys, very good evening, and I hope you can hear my voice. And I'm trying to share my screen, and I hope you can see my screen and you can hear my voice. Yeah. So thank you for joining on this Sunday. So probably we would be discussing the foundation for digital marketing today for an half an hour, for a 1 hour of time, and I hope you can see my screen and you can hear my voice. Yeah, if you don't see my screen or if you don't hear my voice, you can always let me know. Yeah. So this is something that we have discussed even before, but would like to discuss for new student again. So again, this class would be recorded. So by any chance that if you missed this class, you can just get back to this recording and you can listen to this recording and once again. Yeah. So we would like to discuss about the digital marketing introduction, so the basic part, and then after that we would be discussing about the digital marketing strategy. So when I say it is a digital marketing strategy, that means and so how we can or what are the things, so what are the things we can do or we can implement for a business in digital marketing. Yeah. So in digital marketing, what exactly we implement for a business, and so that the business can be marketed well and business can get the customers, and before customers, a business can get the leads, and from the leads and we can generate the customers, and from the customers and we can get revenue and we can get profit. Yeah, so this is the most important that you have to remember what exactly we can do in digital marketing for a business, and so that the business can start reaching the more people on internet. The business or business services or the business products can start reaching to the more people on internet, and so that people can start responding to the services offered by business, or the customers can start responding to the products that the business could sell, and the business can start getting the revenue and can get the profit. Yeah. So as a part of the digital marketing introduction, so you just need to know what it means in digital marketing, and so before to digital marketing, what exactly the people are doing it to promote a business. Yeah. So whenever somebody starts in a business, the business needs marketing by default. The business needs marketing by default. Whenever we say the marketing, it is a process of making the business services and products to reach the more people. So what it is called as marketing, the process of making, or the process of making a business services. A business could provide services, or business can even provide products. Yeah, the process of making the business services and products to reach more people. So this is something we call it as marketing. So what is marketing here? So we just need to make business services or products to reach more people. Whenever you make through various platforms or various method, you are trying to make that business services to reach more people, or whenever you make that business products to reach more people, what happens over there? Then the business would start getting the customers. Yeah, the customers would start taking the services, the customers would start taking the products. So when the customers started taking the services, or when the customers started taking the products, the business would start the getting the more revenue, the business would start getting the more profit. Yeah. So this is something that the more reach you can provide to the business, the more customers you will get it, and the more customers and you can get it for a business, and what you can generate the more revenue. So from the more revenue what you can generate the more profit. This is the most important here. So let's go to the basic definitions of the digital marketing, and what else we can call the digital marketing as. The digital marketing has the other two names, that is also called as the online marketing. This is about it. So along with the online marketing, the digital marketing is also called as inbound marketing. It is also called as what? The inbound marketing. So do not confuse. If somebody uses the inbound marketing somewhere, then you can assume that they are referring to the digital marketing. So digital marketing, it is also called as the online marketing or the internet marketing, or it is also called as the inbound marketing. Yeah. So and how we can define the digital marketing is it is a process of promoting a business, promoting a business services and products by using the digital platforms and via or through digital medium. So you can observe this definition here. So this is the definition. If someone asks you, tell me what it means in digital marketing, or what it means in inbound marketing, and what it means in internet marketing. So it is a process of promoting a business, services, or products. Now, if you can take any business in the market, either business would sell services or business would sell the products. Yeah. And if you can take an examples of the businesses and which sells and services, you can say hospitals, or you can say the institutes, you can say schools, or you can say colleges. Yeah. So all these businesses would sell services. Yeah, agree. So all these businesses would sell what? Would sell services. And if we can talk about e-commerce, if we can talk about e-commerce, something like Flipkart, something like Amazon. So these businesses would start selling the product. Yeah. You take any business in the market, either business would sell services or products. Yeah. So it is maybe a business can sell both, but try to understand here a business can sell either services or products, or both. Yeah. Now it is the process of promoting those services, or it is a process of promoting those products on or by using the digital platforms through the digital mediums. It is something called as the digital marketing. Yeah. So now we just need to understand a bit of theoretical and a formal definition of the digital marketing here, the formal definition of the internet marketing or online marketing, or it is also called as the inbound marketing. So now here, try to understand the digital platforms. I'm just giving a clarity. The digital platforms are like what are the smartphones we use, or whatever the laptop we use, or whatever the desktop or tablet. So we call these platforms as the digital platforms. And without these platforms, you cannot promote any business. Agree? So without smartphone, or without a laptop, without any desktop, or without any tablet, without connected to the internet, you cannot promote you cannot promote any business services, or you cannot promote any business products in online. Yeah. So, and I refer to the one more term that is called the digital mediums. So, whenever I say the digital mediums, so there are plenty of the digital mediums available, but the best examples or the best platforms that I can refer as the digital mediums are Google and YouTube and Facebook and Instagram and Twitter, and it is also called as X, and LinkedIn. So something like this. So we have the many digital mediums, and by using which you are trying to promote your business services, you are trying to promote your business products. Yeah. So this is a formal definition of the digital marketing, a formal definition of the internet marketing or online marketing or the inbound marketing. Yeah. So what is the digital marketing? So digital marketing means it is the process of promoting a business. The business could have services, or business could have the products, or the business could have the both. Business can have the both. And by using the digital platforms like the smartphone or laptop or the desktop or the tablet, and through the digital mediums. Yeah. So we are using Google to promote our business online. We are using YouTube to promote our business online. and we are using Facebook to promote our business online, and we are using Instagram to promote our business online, and there are platforms like we are using Twitter, we are using LinkedIn, we're using Twitter, we're using TikTok in some other countries. But all these platforms are called as the digital mediums, and the digital mediums are plenty, and you will find a lot of platforms on internet, and where you can promote your business, where you would like to reach the more people. And when you start reaching the more people, what happens over there? You can start getting the leads, and you can start getting the customers, and you can start getting the revenue, and you can start getting the profit. Yeah. So try to understand, this is the basic definition of the digital marketing, and there are the two important terms, and you have to remember the digital platforms and digital mediums. So do not confuse between these two, the digital platforms and digital mediums. The digital platforms are the smartphone, the laptop, and the digital mediums are your Google, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, and these platforms are called as the digital mediums. Yeah. So the online marketing or the digital marketing, we are using it from 2004, and from 2009 we got Facebook. From 2015 or 16, we see the geo came into the picture. Then everybody started using smartphones, and everybody is connected to the internet, and everybody started using internet the more and more. When the people started using internet the more and more, then the digital marketing has its own significance for any business, where every business wanted to promote their services and products on internet, so that they think that they can reach more people in online than the traditional marketing. Yeah. So what they think in every business owner started thinking that if I put my services and if I put my products on online, I will get the more reach, and I will get the more customers, and I can generate more leads than advertising my business through the traditional marketing. So what the people are doing before 2004, before 2000, so they were implementing something called traditional marketing. So what they were implementing, so they were implementing something called traditional marketing, and it is most important for you to have the proper definition for traditional marketing also. So what is traditional marketing? So it's a process of promoting a business services or products products by using different traditional mediums. Yep. So by using different traditional mediums, it's a simple definition, but try to understand. So before 2000, before 2004, before 2010, so there was no big internet marketing. There is no big the digital marketing. There is no big inbound marketing. I can even tell you the traditional marketing is also called as the outbound marketing. So do not confuse between these terms. The inbound refers to the internet, and the outbound refers to the traditional marketing. So the businesses are not having any choice. The businesses are not having any choice except going for traditional mediums to promote their business, or to market their business services, or to market their business products, to get the more reach for their business, and so that they can get more customers. And why they need more customers? To get the more revenue and to get the more profit. And what were the different traditional mediums they're using it? So mainly they were using newspapers, and newspapers also, you know about it. So classified or something that people use to promote their business, the services and products. And that if the business volume is big, if the business is having a good budget, and they used to go for TV ads, and radio was very famous. They were going for the radio ads, and these days you see the auto ads, and these days you see the bus ads, and you see the hoardings, and it was a very famous the pamphlets. Yeah. And so you can see the metro hoardings, you can say it. So everything that comes up here. So anything which is part of these, the newspaper advertisements on classifieds, or the TV ads and radio ads and auto ads, and bus ads and hoardings and pamphlets and metro hoardings, or we were even doing the postcard promotion. So the post promotions, and people used to send about their business services and products to different homes and finding their address. And this is something that the businesses are doing it to promote their business. Yeah. So, but thing is that you just need to understand, going for TV ads, going for radio ads, going for newspapers is not everyone's cup of tea. Yeah. So these are very expensive. These are very expensive. So traditional marketing is what? Traditional marketing is bit expensive. It is not for every business. So there are like small businesses, there are like medium based businesses, there are like the big businesses. The big businesses used to go for newspapers and TV ads and radio ads. But what about the medium based and the small businesses? Yeah, so they used to go for pamphlets, and they used to go for small banners and this postcard promotion to promote their business till 2000, until 2004, till 2010. Yeah, so traditional marketing is expensive, and a lot of the physical effort is needed. And after all this, the reach is also very less. Yeah. So there was the main reasons that every business is having some sort of a dissatisfaction with traditional marketing. It is expensive. It is physical effort is very high. The people have to go and install on hoarding, and people has to print on newspapers and print on pamphlets and radio ads and TV ads, and they have to shoot and they have to do a lot of stuff over there. Yeah. So traditional marketing is expensive, and physical effort is also very high. But at the end of the day, the reach is also very less, not as per the expectation. Yeah. So you advertise on newspaper on one day, that lasts for only one day. The next day, again, a new newspaper would come into the picture. Yeah. So if you're advertising on TV and radio, only at that point of time, the whoever is watching the TV, whoever is listening to the radio, only those people would get to know about your business. Yeah. So there is also the reach is very less. And if you're going for any hoardings, the people who are passing by that hoarding, only they can see the advertisement. Yeah. So that's all the reasons that every business is not sustainable whenever they started promoting their business through traditional marketing. But they do not have any choice. They do not have any choice in up to 2012 or 2000, and after 2010 and 12, and people started using something called the internet. So this internet storm, people started using internet. Whenever I say internet, there is something called Google search engine, there is something called YouTube, there is something called Facebook, there is something called Instagram, there is something called Twitter and LinkedIn got famous these days. But I can say that before 2013 and 14, the internet means Google, internet means in YouTube, internet means in Facebook, internet means in Instagram. Yeah. So now everybody started using internet on their smartphones. Everybody is using Google every day. Everybody is using YouTube and every day. Everybody using the Facebook and Instagram every day. This is where that the businesses have seen an opportunity here. The businesses have seen an opportunity here. What an opportunity? So they can start promoting their business on Google. They can start promoting their business on YouTube. They can start promoting their Facebook, on Instagram, and that's how that they can reach more people on internet via something called internet marketing than the traditional marketing. Yeah. So just because everybody started using smartphones, and just because everybody started using internet, the businesses have seen these opportunities to promote their business services and to promote their business products at the very less cost. At the very less cost. This is the most important point. So because using Google is completely free of cost for all the customers, and even for a business, it's also completely free of cost. And using the YouTube or creating a YouTube channel is also free of cost. And using the Facebook or creating a Facebook page for your business is again free of cost. And using Instagram and creating Instagram page for your business is even completely free of cost. And this is where that businesses have seen an opportunity on internet via these digital mediums, and where they can expect to create their own platform on internet, and that is something we call it as website. Yeah. So however, you have the physical premises for your business in some place. The people started creating their presence on internet by using what? By using website. Or they started even creating the mobile application where somebody can download from Google Play Store, and they can buy whatever they wanted. Yeah. So this is where the opportunity have been created via internet, and this is where that every business started creating their own website. And a website and application, they started listing their services, and they started listing their products. And now their business visibility is the 24/7. Yeah. So website would be available on internet and all the time. Doesn't matter if you're going to the 2 o'clock in the midnight, or if you're going in early morning 6 o'clock, your website would be always there on internet. You just need to list out your services, you just need to list your products, you just need to list out maybe some customer testimonials, and that would help the new customers to build a trust with your business. And that's how that every business started promoting their services and start promoting their products. Yeah. So this is the most important, just because the cost of the promotion is very cheaper, and the cost of investment on the digital marketing is very cheaper, and every business is finding the more and more people on internet, and people started looking after something called the digital marketing. So many of them stopped, and even like the small and medium based businesses, they do not have the much opportunities in traditional. So they got to create the huge opportunities in digital, the huge opportunities on internet, and where they can promote their business on Google, where they can promote their business on YouTube, where they can promote their business on Instagram, where they can promote their business on Facebook, and that's all that they can start reaching the more people via internet. Yeah. So this is where what came into the picture. So digital marketing came into the picture. So this is then a business opportunity that every business, doesn't matter if the business is small, the business is medium, business is very big, doesn't matter. The business is having an opportunity to promote their services, to promote their products on online by just creating their own website, or by just creating their own application on both Android and iOS, and they can start promoting through some sponsored ads on Google, sponsored ads on YouTube, the sponsored ads on Facebook, the sponsored ads on Instagram, where they can try to get the more visitors to the website. Yeah. So this website where you are listing your services, and where you're listing your products, where you're listing your testimonials, and this would help your business to gain some trust. And you can start generating what? You can start generating the leads, and you can start generating the customers. From here, the same story, you will get the revenue and you will get the profit. Yeah. So I hope you understood the evolution of the digital marketing from traditional to the digital. Just because we have the huge connectivity on internet, the digital marketing came into the picture. So otherwise, if you do not have the internet connectivity well, if the people are not using the smartphones well, if your people are not using the laptops well, you don't see this digital marketing evolution in India. So just because Geo came into the picture, the internet became an unlimited. Just because of these reasons, that every business got an opportunity to put their presence on internet, to reach more people, to reach more customers, to get more revenue and to get more profit. Yeah. So I hope you understood. So this penetration would go very, very, very huge in coming days. Still everybody is not connected on internet, I can tell you well. There are people in mandals or the villages or the districts. There are people still are just using the few platforms like Instagram and YouTube. They were not using well in everything, but going forward in next 1 decade or 2 decades, and internet would penetrate well and everywhere. So in villages, you do not have the Wi-Fi still. Yeah, in mandals, in some places, you do not have the Wi-Fi still. But going forward, there's a geo fiber or there is something and other internet providers would come into the picture and they would provide Wi-Fi services to even the mandals and villages, and that's how that the internet penetration would go very up. When internet penetration would go very up, the internet users would go very up, then there's a lot of huge business promotions would happen on the digital. But the only one thing is that you should know how you can promote a business service and products well, so that you can target your right audience and you can try to get more customers, or you can try to generate more leads for your business or your business services or business products. Yeah, so I hope it is clear. So it is clear that the internet is most important for any business growth. Internet is most important for any business marketing. But the one question we have right now, what exactly we are supposed to do on the internet? What exactly what exactly we should do? We should do on internet. We should do on internet to promote my business, or to promote a business, to get what, to get more customers, to get more customers. This is the one question. You agree to the point that okay, traditional is expensive, traditional is reach is very less, the physical effort is more, the internet, everybody started using internet. Okay, well and good. Google is there, YouTube is there, Facebook is there, Instagram is there. Okay, fantastic. But tell me how I can promote my business or someone else's business, or I am part of a job, I'm part of a business, how I can promote a business, how we can promote a business on internet, so that I can reach more people, so that I can get more leads, I can get more customers, I can get the more revenue and profit. So this is something, an interesting question you should know, and probably this is the, again, a lengthy answer that you should remember. So what exactly you should do on internet to promote a business, and so that you can get more reach, more customers, more leads, and more revenue and more profits. So this is the whole story again there. Yeah. So I would list out the things that you can do on internet. You can do on internet so that you can promote a business services, or you can promote a business products, or you can promote both if you have both. If you have the both. Yeah. So let me list out the procedure. Let me list out what exactly you can do, what exactly you can do on internet to promote a business. The first thing you should do, the first thing you should do, the creating the presence for your business. Creating the presence for your business, right? So how you're creating your presence for your business online. Yeah. So here, most important, the first you have to develop a website. I'll tell you the few points and while I'm explaining this answer. So the first point is that website is most important, and without website, I can tell you you cannot promote any business. Yeah. So website will talk about your services, and website will talk about your product 24/7. So doesn't matter. People are in the morning times or evenings or midnights. Anybody they can go to the website, right? Anybody can go to Flipkart anytime, anybody can go to Amazon anytime, so they can simply buy any product anytime in a day. So that's the power of website. Yeah. So without website, do not think of that you can promote a business on online. Yeah, there's a huge difference between the businesses which are having a website for them and which are not having website for them. So what's your first step whenever you decided to promote your business in online? The website. So website, a few points you need to remember here. The website must be loading faster. Website should be good looking. Website should have all your services. The website should have all your products, and website should have some testimonials where your customer is giving a feedback in the video format. You are keeping it on a website. Yeah. So all these things are most important. Going forward, we will discuss all these things, but still, try to remember these important points whenever you get reminded of the website. The website is most important. So website would help you in terms of giving all the information about your business on internet in a fraction of seconds. Yeah. So you need to create website first, and I'm just giving an app is an optional. App is an optional. So again, you can develop an app on Android. So I don't need to explain much about it because you know about the Android and iOS, the Apple Store, and you have to create what social media platforms. And what you have to do, why we are doing all this. So we just thought that I would like to promote a business. Then I'm just saying that you have to create presence first. So you need to create presence first. Then you have to drive the traffic to website from the presence you have created, and that would help you to increase your reach and more customers and more leads. Yeah. So whenever I talk about social media platforms, you know about it, but I'm just saying again, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and LinkedIn. And apart from that, I prefer you should create a YouTube channel. You know about it. A lot of people out there on YouTube where they're looking for services, reviews, where they're looking for the products. And you should have a Google page. You know about Google page. So anybody who is looking for directions to your business, they will simply go to the Google Maps and they will look for. Yeah. So this Google page is most important whenever people started going to the Google and looking for their services. So let's say I'm looking for an hospital right now, and what I'll do, I'll just go to the Google and look for hospitals near me. Yep. So if I can go down here, I got this Ashoda, I got this Kims Hospital. Whatever you see, whatever the reviews you see, what are the ratings you see, these are called Google pages. These are called what? Google pages that we have on Google Maps. Yeah, from here I can find directions and I can go to their website. I can see their doctors, I can see their treatments, and I can see their services, and I can see their timings. I can book an appointment. I can do anything on website, right? I can find direction. That means Google page is most important. Yeah. What's the most important? Google page is most important. YouTube channel is most important, and website is most important, and social media platforms are most important. So try to understand here. Your first step, you decided to promote a business. To make sure that you are creating a YouTube channel, you are creating a Google page. So we will talk about all this, how we can create a YouTube channel and how we can create a Google page in coming classes. But try to understand here, your first duty, your first choice is to create this presence on internet for your business services, and for your business products. So you have to create what? So you have to create a website first. Maybe for website, you need to take the help of a developer, but going forward, you would be even learning how you can develop your own website without having any coding knowledge. Yeah. So without having any coding knowledge, how you can develop a website for your business. Yeah. And you have to create the social media platforms, and creating a Facebook page, creating Instagram, creating Twitter, creating LinkedIn is completely free of cost. Yeah, creating YouTube channel is completely free of cost, and creating Google page is even completely free of cost. And that's the reason the investment in terms of creating a presence for your business on internet is very, very, very less. Yeah. So this is your first step. If somebody asks, one question, tell me, I have a business, I would like to promote my business in online or internet, tell me what I have to do. Yeah, so you should do the website development first. Yeah, then create social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram and Twitter, LinkedIn for your business. Then create YouTube channel for your business. Then create Google page for your business, because that's where the people sees the Google reviews and would decide whether to come for your business or not. Yeah. So here, this is the most important step that you're supposed to do whenever you decide to promote any business in the online. So I hope it is clear. The creating the presence for your business is the first step. Yeah. So next we have two, three, four, five. Yeah. So we have the four important modules, and which could help to promote your I can say business or I can say website. Yeah. So website has the huge importance in digital marketing. The website, the mobile app has the huge importance or the huge significance for your business, is right. So in the normal physical location, your office has a huge significance, and the people from morning 9 to evening 6 or 9 to 7, based on your opening hours, people can come and visit and can inquire about your services and can inquire about your products. Yeah, but website is something that doesn't have any opening hours. Anybody can come anytime via internet, can open your website, can look after your services and can look after your products, and people can know about your business. People can know about your business in just 1 hour. They don't need to talk to anybody. They don't need to talk to the business owners. They don't need to talk to the business marketing team. They don't need to talk to anybody in the business. They simply can go to a website and they can look after services and they can look after products and they can find out each and everything about their business, and they can easily understand what is the business, how is the business services, and how's the business products, and how's the people's opinion, people feedback, people reviews, everything they can find it out on internet. Yeah. So now once you created a website or once you created an application or once you created social media platforms and YouTube channel and Google page, now it's time to promote the business. To promote the business, we have the four different techniques we can call it as, or four different methods, and you just need to be aware of these four methods that we have in digital marketing. And then this you will understand in depth in coming classes, but try to understand these four are important to promote a business on internet, to promote a business in the online. So what is those four? The first one is the SEO, search engine optimization, and SMO stands for social media optimization. So we will understand the basic definitions of this, yeah, but going forward, you will understand them in depth. So SMM is social media marketing. If at all that if you're looking for jobs and your jobs mainly on these four topics, yeah. SEM stands for search engine marketing, and this is something we call it as the Google ads. Yeah. So what is your primary activity once you decided to promote a business online is creating the online presence for your business. Yeah. So creating the online presence for your business, you are creating in a online presence for your business by using website. Yes, right. So on website, let's say I'm going to Yashoda Hospital's website, I can find everything. So I can know about their about section, I can know about their locations, I can know about their specialties, I can know about their international patient section, I can read some interesting things in a blog. Yeah. I can book an appointment with their doctor. I can ask for free medical opinion, or I can chat with them on WhatsApp. I can find my medical reports and I can look after health check packages. You see it, the single website is helping the patients in all the ways and helping the customers in all the ways. And that's an important reason that you should have the website. You can see should the hospitals listed their awards that they have received, and this would create a trust with the patient. So patients thinks that, oh, this Ashad hospital received a lot many awards, and that means this is a very good hospital and the best hospital. Let me just book an appointment with the doctor in this hospital. Yeah. And they're talking about infrastructure, they're talking about their hospital locations, they're talking about the testimonials. Yep. Yeah. So all these things and would help the hospitals to build a trust with the patient in the online, where the patient is not talking to anybody. That's the reason I said the website is going to play a very key role. The website is going to play very key role. Yeah. So now here we have the four important modules. We just need to understand right now what are these four. The search engine optimization. So I'm just giving a brief what is search engine optimization. So making your website to rank in to rank in top positions in Google. That's it. Yeah. So when you will do SEO process, what SEO stands for? SEO stands for the search engine optimization. If somebody goes to Google, and looking for best hospital in Hyderabad, the best restaurant in Hyderabad, or the best real estate company in Hyderabad. So you have to keep your website ranking in the top position, and so that people can start visiting your website. When the more people are visiting your website, what happens? And you will get the more customers, and more customers would give you the more revenue and more profit. Here, let me show you a small example here. Let's say I would like to invest in Hyderabad, so I would like to find the best real estate company in Hyderabad so that I can ask them, do they sell apartments, or do they sell farmlands, or do they sell villas, or do they sell any open plots? What I can do here, I can just simply go to Google and look for the best real estate company in Hyderabad. Yep, yep. So now you can see these websites are ranking the top position. If your website is ranking the top position, what people think, so your website is ranking the top position, people thinks that, oh, this business is ranking the top position. Google is listing his website in the top position. That means this could be probably a best real estate company in Hyderabad. So let us get in touch with these people to inquire about different investment opportunities. Yeah. So it is important for your website to rank in the top positions in this Google search engine results page. Yeah. And to make your website to rank in the top positions, and what you have to implement something called the search engine optimization. So this is the most important, because everybody, whenever they have any requirement, they simply comes to the Google and they would look for it. So just sort of example about real estate, but many people can even look for best hospitals in Hyderabad. Let's say they would like to find the best restaurant to eat a food, so they can look for best restaurants in Hyderabad. Yeah. Let's say they would like to get consulted, or they would like to find a school for their care, so they can even look for the best international schools in Hyderabad. That's right. So anybody having any requirement, they will come to Google. In such cases, it is most important for you as a business owner to make your website to rank in the top position for these user queries. And we call in technical terms, and these are all keywords. These are all the keywords. We will talk in coming classes, but try to understand this is something called the search engine optimization. So this search engine optimization would help your website to rank in the top positions in here. And by making your website to rank in the top positions, then you will get what? So if I click on this, so this website would get the website visitor. From the website visitor, and they might get the customers, they might generate the leads, and from there they might get the revenue, they might get the profit. So this, you see, they are asking us to put the mobile number, and they're asking us to put the name and mobile number, and this is called lead generation. So this just dial is trying to asking us the details, and once we give our details, and what happens, then we will start getting the calls from the international schools, and that's a just dial business. Okay. So this is about SEO process, social media optimization. So this is just maintaining a presence, or posting regularly, on social media platforms. And what are the platforms I told before? So I told Facebook, I told Instagram, I told Twitter. Why I'm saying only these four? Because these four platforms are having the most user base. Yeah, the Facebook is having more than 40 to 45 crores user base, and Instagram is having more than 15 to 20 crores user base, and Twitter is having more than 2 to 3 crores user base, and LinkedIn is having more than 1 crore user base. Yeah, so just because these platforms are having a very huge user base, and we are posting on these platforms to reach those people, and so that we can create some what brand awareness. We can create some what? The brand awareness. So we can create some brand awareness, and we can even get what? We can even get some website visits. From the website visits, what you can expect leads, or if it is e-commerce, you can expect the sales. Yeah. So what you can post, you can post images or you can post videos, and these days reels are very famous. The reels are very famous, so you can post images, you can post videos, you can post reels on regular basis on social media platforms, and which would help you to create the more awareness. The more awareness about your brand. From that awareness, probably you can even get the website visits. From the website visits, what you can generate leads, and you can also generate the sales. Yeah. So that's the most important for any business. So you just need to go to Facebook here. Yeah. So on Facebook, you have to create a Facebook page, Instagram page, Twitter and Twitter page, and LinkedIn. You can create a LinkedIn page. Yep. So you can see the platforms are posting about their business, and I can see this business is promoting their services. So I can see their advertisement. That means they are getting some brand awareness and reach. Yes, right. And Shopify is advertising their business. That means Shopify business is getting some reach. If I'm interested, what I can do, I can click on this learn more. Then where I'm landing on their website. That is what I said. From the Facebook and Instagram and Twitter, X, and LinkedIn, you can create brand awareness for your business. Along with the brand awareness, you can post some images, you can post some videos, you can post some reels. Along with this brand awareness, if somebody is interested in your business, they can click on this call to action button, and they can come to your website to know more about your business. Yeah. So that's the most important to understand. Social media would play a key role in terms of promoting your business in the online, the Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. And you shouldn't miss out posting the images, and you shouldn't miss out posting the videos and reels on the social media platforms. And what are the outcomes? The outcomes are you will get the brand awareness, and from the brand awareness, you will also get the website visitors. From the website visitors, you can also get the leads and sales, and from there again, you will get the customers, and you will get the revenue, and you will get the profit. Yeah, so this is called social media optimization. Again, so we have something called social media marketing. It's just a one word difference between these two. The first one is social media optimization, and second one is social media marketing. So social media optimization is just organic. So you're not investing any money. You are not creating any sponsored ads and everything. But when it talks about the marketing, so this is all about optimization. That means you are simply posting the images, simply posting the videos, simply posting the reels, and this is called optimization. So here we are talking about marketing. That means the sponsored ads, creating of the sponsored ads on social media platforms is called as what? Is called as what? Is called as social media marketing. So here we're investing the money. So we have to pay it to Facebook, we have to pay it to Instagram, we have to pay it to Twitter X, and we have to pay it to LinkedIn. So by investing the money in the sponsored ads, and what we are trying to do, so reach we are trying to reach the more people. Yeah. Just because we are investing the money on sponsored ads, and Facebook would start displaying our ad copy or displaying our ad to the more people, and more people would start looking at our business advertisement, and we'll get what? We'll get the more brand awareness. So from this brand awareness, again the same story. What you'll get from the more brand awareness, you will get the more website visitors. Yeah. So this is the most important. So before when we are talking about again from the more website visitors, and what you'll get it, the more leads and sales. Yeah. So previously we were talking about social media optimization. So this is just simply posting images. This is just simply posting your videos and reels, and we are not investing any money. But when it comes to social media marketing, we are investing the money on the sponsored ads. So let me show you example. So this is the example for the sponsored ads and Shopify. If you can go to Shopify page, now you can see that date and time. So this is called social media optimization. They're simply posting about their services and they're simply posting about their products. You can see the time and date. So they're simply posting about their services and organically they get some 137 likes and 471 comments and 7 shares and they have around 3.9 million likes. Yeah, so this is all something we call it as social media optimization. So simply posting on a regular basis the images or the videos or the reels that they post, and this is something we call it as social media optimization. So they think that they can go for the sponsored ads on Facebook, and how they can go for sponsored ads on Facebook by creating the advertisement. So you can see Shopify Plus, and they create these kind of sponsored ads and by using something called the Facebook Ads Manager. So this is something called Facebook Ads Manager. So everybody would have this Facebook Ads Manager, and you can go to this Facebook Ads Manager and you can create this kind of sponsored ads, and these sponsored ads would help you to reach the more and more people. But only one thing is that you are paying to Facebook for this. You are paying to Facebook for this. In return, what you are getting the more and more reach. And if you're getting the more and more reach, that means you're getting the more brand awareness. From the more brand awareness, you're getting the more website visitors and traffic. From that, you're getting the more leads and sales. Again, you're expecting the more revenue and more profit. Yeah. So this is something we call it as what? Social media marketing. So I hope it is clear the difference between social media marketing and social media optimization. So the same thing with the search engine marketing also. So I said search engine optimization is it is an organic process where you are trying to make a website to rank in the top positions in Google, and that I call it as search engine optimization. But I told the search engine optimization would take some time. So maybe it takes in 6 months to rank in top positions, or it might take 1 year, it might take 2 to 3 years and even. But you wanted to rank in the top positions very faster so that you will not miss the customers who are coming to Google today and looking for your business services and looking for your business products. And what I can do for that, you can try to implement something called the Google Ads. Yeah. So creating the sponsored ads, again, creating the sponsored ads on Google platforms to promote your business. To promote your business is called as what? Search engine marketing. Yeah. So SEO, it is an organic process. It is a SEM, search engine marketing. It is again creating the sponsored ads on Google platforms. Whenever I say Google platforms, it is included of the YouTube. So YouTube is part of the Google platforms. So creating the sponsored ads on Google platforms, the included of the YouTube to promote your business, and this is something we call it as what? The search engine marketing. It is also called as the Google Ads, and it is also called as PPC marketing. What is PPC stands for? So pay per click. So pay per clicks. You are paying for clicks. So whenever you promote your business on Google, so this understanding you'll get it in going forward, but try to understand that this is also called as the pay per click marketing, the PPC marketing. Let me show you the examples for that. So I'm looking for the best data science, the institute in Hyderabad. So you can see the sponsors. These are called Google Ads. Yeah. So let's say you would like to create these kind of Google Ads, and to get the more website traffic, from more website traffic, again leads and sales, and where you have to go? You have to go to ads.google.com. Yeah. So by using these Google Ads, and you can create the sponsored ads on Google platforms that included of the YouTube. Yeah. So this is something that we call it as search engine marketing, and it is also called as the Google Ads. Yeah. So try to understand these are the four major modules or the major methods or the major ways that we have in digital marketing to promote your business or to promote any business or services or products in the online. So what the first thing here, the first thing that you're doing is you're creating a presence. You're creating a presence for your business, creating a website or application, or create a social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram, Twitter and LinkedIn, or a YouTube channel and Google page. And after that, you are implementing SEO, you're implementing social media optimization, you're implementing social media marketing, you're implementing the search engine marketing. So what exactly you're going to learn in digital marketing, how you can implement all this for, how you can implement SEO, how you can implement social media optimization, how you can implement social media marketing, how you can implement search engine marketing. All these things you are going to learn as a part of the digital marketing, and that's the most important thing. Yeah. So I hope it is clear. So the first one is you're creating the platforms, and after creating the platforms, you're implementing SEO, you're implementing SMO, SMM, and SEM. So practically impossible to implement all by yourself to your business. You would be having a team in a company in general where somebody is implementing only Facebook ads, somebody is implementing only Google ads, somebody is implementing only SEO. So in digital marketing, you would be having the separate jobs on SEO, separate jobs on social media marketing, separate jobs on search engine marketing, that is on the Google ads and PPC. That's the most important. Yeah. So there are the few small things that you can implement for a business, and that would give an advantage to the business to get the more leads again, to get the more sales, and it would again help in terms of generating the more revenue and more profit. Yeah. So those are the few things that I would list out right now. So first one is what, creating the presence, and 2, 3, 4, 5 SEO, SMO, SMM, and SEM, and 6. So we call it as content marketing. So small modules. Yeah. So what is content marketing? So content marketing means writing the blogs on the website. So if you're writing the blogs on the website, you are educating your customers, and you are creating a trust about your business. And this is something called the content marketing. You are doing it on the website. So if you want it, let me show you an example. So this content marketing would help to educate your customers, and that's most important. The video initial hospitals, don't get confused. Yeah. So now if you can go down, so you can see these are the blocks. Yeah. So cardiac arrest, reasons and symptoms, and how we can prevent. You can see the content in Telugu. So you can try to read these blogs, and Yashad Hospitals is creating or making these blogs to educate the people. So by educating the people, also they're trying to reach more and more people. Yeah. So you might not be sharing their service and everything, but you would be sharing these kind of blogs with your friends and family, and that's how that they would like to educate, and they would like to be a good hospital by educating the patients on various topics. And this is something I call it as the content marketing. Yeah. So you should also implement these blogs on your website. You should educate your customers on various topics, and that's how that you can create a positive impression, a good impression from your customers towards your business. Yeah, the blogs would play a key role in terms of creating a trust. The next one is the video marketing. So this is all about having a proper YouTube channel, and posting the videos over there, and where you can post about your service bites. If you're having a products buy, that means product demos or product explanations or some customer testimonials. So you need to understand. So the text and images would not create a great trust. Yeah. So but the videos would create a great trust. That's the most important thing. If you're posting anything in the form of video, people love to watch it. These people are not having the patience to go to the whole text content. The customers are not having the interest to go to the images, but they have an interest to go to the videos, and they can get a glimpse of what exactly you're trying to say. Yeah. The YouTube would play very crucial role. Let's say I'm going to enter the hospital's YouTube channel, and I would like to know more about this hospital. And what I can do, I can just simply come, and I can simply go to the videos, and you can see they were talking about some health talk. They're talking about some event program, and this is a testimonial for some treatment. Again, this is a testimonial for some treatment. This is a testimonial for some treatment. You can see it, right? So if some patient is talking about an hospital and that too in a very good words, and what happens, let's say I'm going to be a patient, I'm going to get treated for something, then I would develop in a positive impression towards this hospital. I'm going to develop in a good impression towards this hospital. And exactly, they're posting all these things in the video format. And this video format, I love to watch it, and I can easily understand what Excel they're trying to convey. And I would be developing a trust towards this business. And that's the most important that I say. The video marketing is most important. It's not about just creating these videos and posting on YouTube channel, and it is even about creating the reels also. So reels also in the video format. So if you can create some good videos and reels in a video format about your business, about your services and products, or some about testimonials, it is going to develop a great trust about your business, and that's going to be most important. Yeah. So I hope it is clear. So content marketing is clear, the video marketing is clear. The next we have an important, so you have to manage the online reputation management. Yeah. So these days the people are having the different choices. So whenever we talk about online reputation management, mainly I would talk about the Google reviews. Yeah. So whenever you decided to go to any restaurant, what exactly you do? Simply you'll go up here and you look for the best restaurants near me. Yes, right. So you would find different Google pages here for different restaurants. You can see 333 reviews, 176 reviews, and 138 reviews, and you see, oh, this is having a good number of reviews, and this is having 4 stars. Let me just go and have the dinner at this restaurant. That means that based on this reviews and rating, based on their online reputation, you are taking a call in terms of whether to go to the restaurant one or restaurant 2 or restaurant 3. Yeah, that's the most important. So as a part of the digital marketing, it's most important to have a good online reputation for your business. And how you can manage by just having a good number of reviews and a good rating, and that's the most important thing. Yeah. So I hope it is clear. The online reputation management also is part of the digital marketing. Yeah. So content marketing, the video marketing, and online reputation management. So you should work towards creating the more videos. You should work towards creating the more blogs, and you should work towards creating the more Google reviews and better rating. Yeah, I hope it is clear. And next we have 4 important things again. So small things, and you are aware of already. So the ninth one is that you know about the bulk SMS marketing. So let's say you have the existing leads, let's say you have existing customers, and you have to engage with them. So you have them 10,000 customers, and you would like to invite them to your store once again. You can say, this is the Diwali season. I'm giving 10% discount on this product. And if you're interested to buy, please visit the store. You can communicate this message via an SMS. So they know about your platform. You don't need to ask them to visit the website. You don't need to ask them to visit Facebook and Instagram and LinkedIn and Twitter and YouTube channel, because they know about your business already. So you just need to give them some offer or discount, and you are communicating that about the offer, about the discount via SMS, or maybe you can do what? You can do bulk email marketing. You can send an email to everybody. If you have the email database, or these days everybody using this, the bulk WhatsApp marketing, or you can even do what? You can even do the bulk voice calls. You can even do what? The bulk voice calls. Yeah. So I recommend that the people should implement, every business should implement this. So whenever you have any services, the new products, or the offers or discounts, or you would like to wish all your customers happy Diwali, happy New Year, happy Christmas, then how you can do that? You can just do in a bulk SMS or bulk email or the bulk WhatsApp or the bulk voice calls. And these 4 methods would help any business to engage with their customers. And that's how that you can make your customers to visit your business again and again. Yeah. So by using these 4 methods, you can make your customers to visit your business again and again. So that's the most important. You should learn how you can do the bulk SMS. You should learn how you can do the bulk email. You should learn how you can do the bulk WhatsApp, and you should learn how you can do the bulk voice calls. Yeah. So I hope it is clear. So, and again, so going forward, you would be learning all these things, but try to understand here. These four would help you to re-engage with your existing customers, and from the existing customers, you can increase your revenue and you can increase your profit. Yeah. So along with this four, we have something called referral marketing. So what is referral marketing? So you can ask your existing customer to refer a new customer, and in return you will offer a fixed or percentage commission. This is something called the referral marketing. So I said you can do bulk SMS, you can do bulk email, you can do bulk WhatsApp, you can do bulk voice calls. You can communicate one message about the referral marketing or the referral program you have in your business. Let's say you are selling some products and you can ask your customers to refer a friend or the colleague your product. If they're buying a product, you can offer them some 10% commission or the referral commission, or some fixed amount, let's say some 1,000 rupees for every conversion that they get. This is something that we call it as referral marketing. So if your business is okay to provide these kind of referral programs, then you can always dash. But I hope that this would help you a lot for any business in terms of getting the more and more customers from your existing customers, because you are giving some benefit to your customers. Whenever you offer any benefit to your customers knows about your business already, so they can explain well about your business services. They can explain well about your business products to their colleagues and friends, and they can refer them to your business, and that's how that your existing customers would become your brand ambassadors. Yeah. So your existing customers can become the brand ambassadors, and this referral program might work well, and you might get more and more customers where you are not investing on social media, not investing on SEO, not investing on the Google ads, they're not investing on any sort of paid campaigns. But in return, whatever the money you invest on marketing, you are giving it to your existing customers as a part of referral commission. As a part of what? The referral commission. So that's the most important. That's most important. So you can include the referral program as a part of your the digital marketing for your business. Yeah. So this is something that you should remember. And there are like four small things you can even still implement: 14, 15, 16, and 17. So 14th is you can try implementing influencer marketing. You know about the influencer marketing. So you can reach online influencers. So who are those online influencers? So Instagrammers or YouTubers. So you can reach out to them and you can ask them to talk about your business services and the products in their YouTube channel, or in the YouTube reel, or in their Instagram platform. So in return, you may have to pay some money, but this might help your business to reach more people in less time. Why I'm saying less time? Because these Instagrammers and YouTubers that are already having the millions of followers and posting about your business in their platforms might help your business to reach more people in a very short time. So this is called what? The influencer marketing. So there is something called viral marketing. So I'm just giving an example here: memes. So you can create some memes. Probably this might not be good for a professional businesses, but if you can create some professional memes, and this would help you to reach more people, and this is something I call it as the viral marketing. So next we have something called mobile marketing. Let's say, so you have some application, so you have to promote the application so that the more people can start using your business services and products on a mobile phone. And this is something called an app promotion. So this is all about the mobile marketing you does for your business. And 17 is about the forum marketing. Yeah. So here, so forum means there's some platforms like Quora, so where people would ask the questions and other people would start answering them. So if you can go to Quora, you will find a lot of questions and asking about a business like hospitals in Hyderabad or real estate companies in Hyderabad. You can go over there and you can answer those questions like an expert, and you can create your own presence for your business. Yeah. So Quora also would help you a lot. Let me show you one example for Quora. I was looking for the best data science institute in Hyderabad, and you can see along with this SEO results, these are the Google ads and Google Maps, and you can see the Quora is ranking in the fourth position here. So maybe one, two, three, four. Yeah, that means people would even go to Quora to read the answers for this question. What's in a question here? The best data science institute in Hyderabad. So there are like 266 answers, the very high number of answers here. But let's say your business is offering data science course, then I would recommend you to answer this question. Along with this question, you can answer these questions also, which are talking about the best data science institutes in Hyderabad. So this would help you to create presence. And as I said before, the SEO process would take some time, but you can rank in the top positions and by just simply answering the questions on this platform, something like Quora. And this is the forum platform where the people are asking for questions, and in return, other people are answering them with the best institute. And you are answering there like that your institute is the best institute for data science course, and you're just creating the more presence for your business by using a forum, and that is called as an Quora. Yeah, so that's the reason. So we have this four small things, and where you can include as a part of digital marketing to promote your business. So what are those things? So you can think about influencer marketing. You can think about viral marketing. You can think about mobile marketing if you have Google Play Store application or the iOS application, or you can think about forum marketing where you are the posting the answers for the questions that we have in the Quora platform. Yeah. Along with this, we have the 18th, which is the podcast marketing. So you know about the podcast like Spotify or the Wink or the Google podcast. So this is not Apple podcast. This is not that much famous in India right now, but going forward it might go famous because people started listening to the songs and various speeches in this podcast platforms. I prefer if you can create your own platform on this podcast platforms, and you can start talking about your services or you can start talking about your products, and that's how that you can even advertise about your business on all these podcast platforms. And along with that, we have something called CRM. CRM stands for customer relationship management, okay, platforms. And this is something, so these CRM platforms, let's say you're implementing the digital marketing for a business. Yeah, so whenever you implement the digital marketing for a business, you're generating the leads, and these leads you will store it, you will store them in where, you will store them in the CRM platform. So from this CRM platform, you are giving these leads to the business development team, or we can call them as call center team, or we can call them as communication team, or we can call them as customer care team. So once they receive the leads from the CRM platform, so they would start doing the calls. From the calls, they will do what? They will do the conversions. From the conversions, what you can expect? You can expect the revenue. You can expect the profits. Yeah. So there are the various CRM platforms like Zoho, HubSpot, and everything. So you would learn about these CRM tools also, where you are integrating all the lead generation things to your CRM platform, where you are storing all the leads, and these leads you are giving to your business development team and via this platform, and they will start calling them to get the more customers. So this CRM also you must be aware of. So as a part of digital marketing, and this is also you would be learning it up. So 18 and 19, and we have the other one called 20, which is the push engagements. So what's the push engagements called? So the famous push engagements comes from Zomato and Swiggy. So these are called your mobile notifications. So implementing these mobile notifications also would help. It should not annoy or irritate the people, so that they would unsubscribe to your mobile notifications, and if you're irritating them. But if you can send some interesting things, and they would not be unsubscribing from push engagement. So you can still implement this mobile notifications. So there's a one famous website where you can implement these, which is by using the push engage. So you can use this pushengage.com. By using this platform, you can push the mobile notifications and web notifications from your business to your customers, and this would help to engage with your customers again and again. But the only one thing is that you just need to maintain a bit cautious in terms of sending the right content to your customers via this mobile notifications. Yeah. So I hope it is clear. You can even still implement this push engagements, and finally 21 different tools you would be learning it up. I'm just giving three tools here. So Google Analytics, Google Search Console, and Google Tag Manager, and other paid tools. So there are different paid tools that we would be discussing in coming classes. But apart from that, there are the most three important tools in from the Google. And first one is Google Analytics, so which would help you to find out your website traffic, and Google Search Console. I'm just giving their benefit, but going forward, you would be learning how you can integrate these tools, and all these tools are free of cost. So SEO ranking positions. So Google Search Console would help you to find SEO ranking positions, and Google Tag Manager. So it would help to integrate different tools with the website. Okay, so these three tools would have their own importance that you need to understand. Yeah. So these three tools are free completely. So Google Analytics, that you're using it to find out website traffic, and Google Search Console is to know your SEO ranking positions, and Google Tag Manager is to integrate the different third-party tools with the website. So along with that, there are a lot of paid tools, and going forward, we will discuss about these paid tools also, which are involved as a part of the digital marketing. Yeah. So I hope it is very clear, guys. Then this is the answer for a question that what exactly I can do for my business to promote all my services and products on internet to get more customers and to get more leads, or to get more sales and revenue and profit. Yeah. So I hope it is clear. So I have given in total 21 points here. So you have to remember all these 21 points. And this is the answer for a question. If somebody asks you, tell me how you can promote your business on internet to get more customers. So the first one is that you're going to create the presence fast, and which is going to be the website, app, social media platforms, and YouTube channel and Google page. And you're going to implement SEO process, going to implement social media optimization, going to implement social media marketing, going to implement the search engine marketing. And after all this, you're going to implement the small modules here, which might have a great impact on your business promotions. And one of them is the content marketing and the video marketing, online reputation management. And after all this, it is important to get in touch with your existing customers to increase your sales. And for that, what you're doing here, you are doing the bulk SMS, bulk email, bulk WhatsApp, and bulk voice calls. And you can even implement the referral marketing. Along with that, you can also implement the influencer marketing, viral marketing, mobile marketing, and forum marketing. Along with this, you can also touch base the podcast marketing, and you can also implement the CRM tool, which would help you to pass the leads that you have generated to your business development team in automation. And you can also implement push engagements here, and you can also utilize some tools for your business. And for example, we have three important tools coming from Google, and all of them are free of cost. And that's the reason the implementation for digital marketing for any business is always very cheaper. Yeah. So Google Analytics and Google Search Console and Google Tag Manager. So all these tools are completely free of cost, and you can always use them for different objectives. The Google Analytics for website traffic, Google Search Console is for SEO ranking positions, and Google Tag Manager is for integrating different third-party tools with the website, and all of them are free of cost. Along with that, you would be learning the different paid tools like SEMrush, Ahref, and Screaming Frog, and more. So we have different paid tools, and you would be learning them up in the coming classes. Yeah. So I hope it is very clear, and it is very clear for you and even. So you have to remember this 21 points, and which would help you to understand how you can promote your business in the online. This is the best answer that you have. Yeah. So that's it for today, guys. That I would like to make you to understand the how you can prepare a digital marketing strategy, or how you can promote your business on the digital marketing. And going forward, so we will discuss on SEO, we will discuss on social media marketing, and we will discuss on Google Ads. So that's it for today, guys. And if you have any doubts, you can let me know. And if you do not have any doubts, you can say no in the chat. So I hope it's clear. So, and this class is also has been recorded. So, and we can listen to this recording, and you can even get back to me if you have any doubts. Yeah, but make sure that you are remembering this 21 points, and this is for by default. So you have to remember this 21 points, and that's how that you will get an idea that how you can promote any business in online. And going forward, we will discuss in depth about each and everything. Yeah.